Hello there, folks. How you doing today? This is William Callahan. Once again, I thank you for coming to my channel called Postcard Marketing 2019. I'm trying to teach all about the best of the techniques that was going on in 2019. It's now the year 2020. All these techniques are still going to work very fine, but now I should let you know I've named the channel Postcard Marketing 2019 because I want to talk about the best of what happened last year, which we don't know about until the year is quite complete. Now that we're in 20 instead of 19, we can do that. And for today, there's not a lot much going on. You've been following along. I've been going ahead and showing you the steps as I've been going on a new campaign. Been working with the Club Cash Fund. And it's a very good club. I was also recommending another one called Elite Unlimited Mailing Club, but obviously that one turned out to be a scam. It was going quite well when I got into it. So basically today I want to tell you about a couple of scams so that you don't purchase into these programs. Now, the first one I'd gotten into, that was a scam, not a good one, unlike most of them are good. The 30-day success program was really hot for the longest time. But then, I don't know how much truth it was, but they were saying that they're changing, I think, a 6-page sales letter to a 12-page letter. Whatever, sounded pretty good, but then it ended up their publishers, they wouldn't do that. It was causing too much problems, and they couldn't do it in time. They couldn't meet the deadline. So basically business just halted with 30-day success, and people got scammed. They sent in their money, never got anything back that they had purchased. They never got their money back, never got any product or service. So that was 30-day success. Now, the next I got into was Elite Unlimited Mailing Club. And like I said, it was going well when I first discovered it and got into it. And after a while, obviously, they started putting out bad mailing lists. Trying to save money, I guess. What a bunch of rip-offs. If you don't have a good mailing list, you don't have anything. People are counting on them because the mailing list comes with part of the program. And I had this at the beginning of my channel, and I left it there, but I took out the sign-up link because I don't want you to sign up for it. I just want you to compare it to other programs out there. That's a good, structured program, very powerful. But you need honest people running it. Apparently they went sour and they started putting out bad mailing lists, and that was included. The mailing list was included in the package. People just assumed it was good. It was a bad mailing list. People were getting absolutely no response. Without response, no sales. And also then further evidence, they turned scam. In the Facebook group they had, several people were complaining that they hadn't gotten their products that they'd ordered. It had been several months. Nothing was going on, nothing got fixed. People still never got anything. And then further proof that they went scam, obviously then, because of the mailing lists and not getting the shipments and so on and so forth, people were joining this group but not getting anything out. So when I had first joined the group, there were a lot of people chit-chatting and talking about how happy they were they're getting all these payments. Yeah, a couple months go by. Right now, it's been almost a handful of months since anybody has put any kind of comment in there at all. Why? Because they're joining up with that program and then find out it's a scam. So that's the Elite Unlimited Mailing Club. You gotta join that one. I left it there to show you an example of a type of the organization of some of these mailing clubs. That one was dishonest. Most of them out there are completely honest. They're good programs and good people running them. So now we talk about two more quick ones. I mentioned this before. I did mention earlier that I'd make a special video about scams when I come across them. There wasn't a lot to train about today, so I started thinking about that. And I tried to sit down and write down a list of all the things that I'd found last year. And a profit point was one of these. Now what they do, they proclaim to make you like $500 a day out of nowhere. Oh yeah. One of these programs, they got really great sales pitch. This guy goes on and on and on and on. It even got me hooked and sold. I bought into it. It was only like $47. But to get the traffic to the website like what they're talking about, $500 a day, you had to pay, $500 or $1,000 to get their other program to get that much traffic. It's just ridiculous how they advertised it, what a rip-off scam it is. And then when I got to it and I went to go build the website and everything, it was pretty ludicrous. It didn't even work with Amazon correctly, and there was two other places from memory it didn't work at all, and so it only worked with Amazon, but Amazon wasn't like that. And eventually, and I went through Easy Kits, they're the ones handling the whole thing for the profit point people, and they do that with all kinds of different companies. Now, Easy Kits was easy to work with to get my money back, but it's the point. The profit point was a scam, a lie. The whole thing was nonsense, and that was something I'd seen advertised on Facebook. Sometimes it's advertised as the big loophole or what have you. Yeah, the routine. Get in on this before it's too late. So that was profit point. And then so later they changed the advertising all around. Still powerful as heck. What I do, signed up for it again, not realizing it was them again. Now, Amazon had done something, and it's just too long, complicated a story to explain all this to you today in a short little video, but I just called them up. That's it. That's it. So then I want to tell you about the next latest, greatest scam. It's called Sticker.co. Like for company, stickr.co. So that's stickr.co. They're the people where you glue on an adhesive, like an advertising sign, vinyl sign, you put on your back windshield of your vehicle. Driving around town, people look at it, whatever, they go to the website, give them their business. Oh, that's, the idea is to get the people to put their business, their advertising on those stickers. And they pay big time money for that. But these people, the sticker, this was ridiculous how poorly they pay. Now, another guy, he helped me install a sticker. He just joined up. I joined up a month earlier, but I was too busy to put the sticker on. He helped me install a sticker. Anyways, the first time we went to get paid, he was so mad he quit. Because the pay was just ludicrous. And I said, yeah, but you have to wait a whole month. He didn't install it for the whole month or what have you. So I'm going to wait a couple of months and see what's going on. Well, I paid about $100 for the upgrades and all this kind of stuff to get the extra money and all this, all that, all this, all that. Oh, yeah, I'm getting more money than him. What, $10, $11, $12 for the, it's just ludicrous. So That's a big scam right there. So I just wanted to let you know, thanks and have a great day. Make sure you don't invest in any of those programs. Once again, for your convenience, I'll read them off for you right here. It's 30-Day Success. Also, the Elite Unlimited Mailing Club. Also, stickr.co. And also the one called Profit Point, which you probably won't even know it's Profit Point until you go through the sign up and pay process, and you'll find out they're going through easy kits. Okay, folks, that's it. Thanks so much, and you have a great day, blessed day.